It's me, Mr. Red Panda, and in this video, we'll be playing the Very Organized Thief, which I've already played before, many times, but I couldn't get interrupted, so hopefully this is the video that makes it. That ain't any interruptions. Cute. So we're on it. Statue bracelet, mobile phone, microwave, Christmas tree, stamp album, Christmas tree. Okay, don't need it. So we're heading straight into it, I guess. Yeah, go. Found the mobile phone. Microwave. Okay. Statue. Bracelet. Okay. Stamp album. Found the ring. So what's this? That's not a jewelry box. What is the jewelry box? A jewelry box. Not open. Have a look. No, don't need that. 1, 2. Oh. It's morning. Bracelet. Yeah, I gotta figure it instead. Jewelry box. This is what the jewelry box looks like, right? Yeah. I need a microwave, which should be in the kitchen. Let's go. Kitchen, microwave. Stamp album. My gold bar. Okay, come on, let's go. All the people get in. Wait a minute. Okay, go do cutting. Wait, no, cutting better than this. Okay. Blue. Open. Green, blue, red. Just got a message. Okay, stamp album. Okay. Run! Wait, no, run. 1, 2, 16. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 6. What? That's the code. 1, 2, 1, 6. What? No. No. 1, 2, 1, 6. What is the code? What is the definite code? 1, 2, 1, 6. 6, 1, 2. Open! God damn it! Okay. Run. That's it. No, I need a room. Quick. Need a room. You know where I need to go. Okay. Close you. Okay. So all we need is that stamp album and gold bar. Go. Yeah. Yeah. One. Oh, step out. Cannot hear. Am I whispering? What is the password? 1, 2, 1, 6. Oh, that's a 7, isn't it? Hmm. Wait, 7, 1, 7, 2, 1. Yes, I escaped. Yes. Yes. Oh my god. Yes. 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 I've played this like a million times, but yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. 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 Okay. Make sure to comment, subscribe, do whatever you want. I don't care, I'm just proud that I survived. Yes! Make sure to subscribe, like, share. I don't really care. So I'll pop a link in the description below so that you can download this. So bye everyone. Peace out.